Guys, thanks for watching me in all my joyous excitement. I finally bit the bullet. I decided I'm just gonna go ahead and buy a King, and I did because it was time. I've been trying to film all these Sabre videos, and I have this little like off-brand saber that I had bought. It's not even a color guard saber. It was a sparring sword, and I just finally was like, I need a King because this thing keeps falling apart. My little off-brand one just was falling apart, and it was great while it lasted, and I really enjoyed it. You know, it served its purpose, and you know, gave me a cheap saber to practice on and teach with and so on. And I'm not gonna go perform, you know, that's not at all my intention, but just having a King that I can do all of my videos on is gonna be so much easier. These guys, compared to what I've been dealing with, it's gonna be awesome. Just don't pay any attention to the reflection of my incredibly messy desk in the blade. More Sabre videos coming at you very soon by Spintenthusiasts.